come along today. We're the basket buddies driving on our way. Shapes and colors, hip hip hooray. Let's learn and play the buddy car way. The magic boxes.
Look over there, what do I see? 3 glowing boxes shining bright on me. Let's open them up, together we share. Circle, square, and triangle floating in the air.
Air! Kids clap 3 times. All the little cars go vroom, vroom, vroom. Shapes are dancing, zoom, zoom, zoom. Circle rolls fast, square is strong. Triangle jumps and sings along. Cars and shapes we play all day. Basket buddies, hip hip hooray. Through the tunnel the circle rolls, round and happy off it goes.
Square pushes blocks with all its might. Left and right, oh what a sight.
Triangle jumps high in the sky. Look at me, I'm flying by. Kids do rolling, pushing and jumping motions. Go cars go, go shapes go. Through the course, fast or slow. Circle, square and triangle.
One for you and one for me. Sharing makes us happy. Sing.
All the little cars go vroom, vroom, vroom. Shapes are laughing, zoom, zoom, zoom. Red car shares and blue car too. Sharing is caring for me and you. Cars and shapes we play all day. Basket buddies, hip hip hooray.
Shiny, yay, I found. Banana yellow on the ground.
Blue, blue grapes on a little vine.
Wow, these colors look so fine.
Orange pumpkin, round and bright. Colors make our day so light. Jump so high, we touch the sky. Cars and shapes go flying by. Circle spins and triangle soars. Square rolls gently on the floor.
Learning colors every day.
Basket buddies, hip hip hooray!
Thank you, friends, for playing today. Driving, learning all the way. See you soon in the next fun play.
Basket buddies, hip hip hooray!
One sunny day, 3 friends, a sporty red car, a helpful blue police car, and a strong yellow dump truck were happily driving down a colorful road.
Hurry up, brother. Hurry. We have to reach there super fast.
Yes, super fast. Let's zoom like rocket cars.
Hurry, fast, fast!
Suddenly, glowing magical boxes appeared right in their path, making the cars stop in surprise.
What is this?
I don't know. What is this? I have no idea at all.
Oh no, it's coming up toward us.
It's okay. Don't worry. I'll check it out. Hey, stop! Where are you going? Stop right there.
Oh wow, boom, so many boxes everywhere. Hey, where are you guys? Where did you all go?
we are here!
Oh, so many shapes!
Ha 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 ha!
With a pop, the boxes opened and out flew a red square, a yellow circle, and a blue triangle.
Yes! Colors! Shapes! Amazing!
The cars happily danced around their new shape friends, celebrating with balloons and confetti. Wow.
Soon, a big, colorful obstacle course appeared, and the cars and shapes were ready for a race!
The yellow circle rolled super fast through a long, colorful rainbow tunnel, with the yellow dump truck cheering it on. Wow! Square, red square, I am here to help you.
Oh, thank you!
The blue police car and the blue triangle bravely jumped over pointed cones.
Hurry, hurry, fast!
Yes, yes.
Go, go! They reached the finish line with balloons and a yay banner as the shapes floated triumphantly above them.
After their big race, the cars parked in a perfect circle on soft green grass, ready for a picnic.
Oh, wow! My favorite bananas!
Red apples.
Oh, my purple grapes. Why are you sad? But the blue triangle looked sad because there was no fruit for it.
I want an apple!
Okay, don't be upset. Here, take the apple.
Wow! Red apple! Thank you, police!
Soon, all the cars were happily sharing apples, bananas, and grapes with each other.
The shapes tasted the sweet fruits, their eyes sparkling with joy.
Amazing! Everyone celebrated their picnic, remembering that sharing is caring, surrounded by colorful confetti and gentle sunlight. After their picnic, the cars zoomed around a grassy field, eager to find more colorful fruits for a fun fruit hunt. The red sports car proudly found a shiny red apple, glowing brightly.
Then, the yellow dump truck discovered a long yellow banana and carried it happily on its back.
Blue grapes. The blue police car carefully found some glowing blue grapes hidden under a tree.
Together, the cars gathered around a big, bright orange pumpkin, excited by their find.
They all worked as a team, putting all the colorful fruits into one big glowing basket.
Suddenly, a huge rainbow ramp appeared ahead, and the cars got excited and ready for a grand finale.
The red sports car led the countdown. 3, 2, 1! With big colorful numbers floating above them.
Then, the cars soared super high over the ramp, with their shape friends floating beside them, sparkling in slow motion.
Midair, the cars and shapes formed a heart shape, surrounded by exploding confetti and happy expressions.
They landed smoothly and struck a cute final hero pose, with a beautiful rainbow in the background.
The cars waved goodbye, inviting everyone to subscribe to Basket Buddies